Smartphones, smart homes. They're incredible, aren't they? In 2020, we have it all. From our mobile phones, we can now control different features in our homes, like the temperature. We can control the security, the lighting, appliances, the media, all from our mobile phones. Truly incredible, isn't it? But did you know that you could do all of that back in 1986 on your Commodore 64? Let's check it out right now. Welcome to the Breadbox, the channel dedicated to Commodore computers. This video is part of an ongoing series showing the interesting uses for Commodore computers during the 70s, 80s and 90s. The first video in the series was the computer shoes. The second, the pet that saved lives. And this video is about home automation in the 1980s using your Commodore 64 and an X10 PowerHouse system. The X10 system is a power line carrier remote control system for home lighting and appliances. It lets you turn on and off the lights and appliances throughout your home without the need to install expensive remote control wiring. The system uses the existing house wiring to carry specially encoded high-frequency signals between the various components in the system. The controller is a transmitter that generates the controlling signals. The remote modules are plug-in units which control lights and appliances by replacing the lamps or appliances on-off switches. These basic modules plug into the power socket, and the lamp or the appliance plugs into the bottom of the module. The appliance module could control any appliance up to 15 amps for resistive loads like heaters, toasters and coffee jugs. The X10 controller unit plugs into the Commodore 64 with an included RS-232 interface, which in turn plugs into your Commodore 64's user port. The Commodore 64 could then be used to program the PowerHouse unit to 7 rooms and position up to 11 lights or appliances in each room. Icons are chosen from a wide variety of programmed images. This shows us how versatile this program on the Commodore 64 was in programming different devices around the home. Not only could you program the lamps around your house, but also the TV unit, the hi-fi unit, the aircon unit, the fan, radio, coffee pot, toaster, slow cooker, or customize it to other appliances that you could switch on. Not only with this Commodore 64 software could you set up the timers for the inside appliances and lighting, you could also set up the outdoor lighting as well, adding to home security for your home. And with the 3 modes of operation, we have the demo mode, we have the install mode. This allows you to program the various functions of each room by using those icons to program different units, for example appliances or lights, which then in turn are automatically programmed into the PowerHouse controller unit. And then you have the operate mode. The operate mode allows you to use the PowerHouse by sending the requested controlling pulses to the various remote modules. After the PowerHouse has been programmed on your Commodore 64, you can disconnect it from your Commodore 64 and set it up into its final position. To prevent loss from programmed data during a power outage, a 9-volt battery is housed in the module, which will maintain the data and the clock for 100 hours without power. The PowerHouse unit itself has an 80C48 microprocessor with 2 kilobytes of RAM, which has a built-in 7-day, 24-hour real-time clock. The module stores up to 128 timer events. My favorite part about this whole system is the interactive ability with the Commodore 64. You can program the X10 controller unit by using BASIC, but this program is fantastic. It's simple, it's illustrative, and it allows you to choose each room and then set up each room with appliances and lights that you want to control with your smart home setup. Remember, this is back in 1986, so this is pretty impressive. In 2020, smart homes are getting to become more and more common. Yet here we have the foundations of our smart homes way back in 1986 on a Commodore 64. Thanks for watching another Breadbox Commodore Computer Museum video. Don't forget to check out my other Commodore videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you to my subscribers. You're totally awesome. I really appreciate your support. And until next time, ciao.